Okay, aloha my kākou. Welcome to our ʻAʻA ʻŌLELO virtual Hawaiian language class. Okay, kala iwakalua kumahiko apelila ahe po alua keia. Today we're talking about ʻŌPaʻa number 27. How do I change that? Okay, so today our agenda, you guys know the drill. We're going to be talking about the Kālele ʻākena sentence structure, and that's probably going to take up probably mostly the majority of the time. But yeah. Okay, I don't think we have any new people, but just for practice, ovaiko inoa no ho'oi ihea in the chat for me, please. O kumu Kahanuola ko inoa no ho'au ma ke walo uka. Do we have any new people? Nope, not today. Jennifer came last time. Okay, mahalo. And our Loina, I'm gonna call on Shannon. Can you read our Loina for us, please?
Aloha ke kahi. Love one another. We are in ohana. Ho'ihi aku, ho'ihi mai. Be respectful on camera and in the chat. E kulia I kunu'u. Strive to be the very best you can be. And ʻAʻA I ka ʻŌLELO mai hila hila. Dare to speak, don't be shame in class.
Yeah, anyone want to start our oli kunihi? The never get to go yet. So Shannon wants to. Okay, I got him. Everyone's sitting up. Oh yeah. Kunihi ka mauna pa. Kunihi ka mauna I ka laie o ai ale la I wai luai. Kia ela I kalani ka papau ai o ka waikini. Alaia ela e no nalo kai pua'a. Kalaula mau ka o ka pa'a e. Mai pa'a I ka leo. E ole ka hea mai e. Okay, and we're gonna go straight into the lesson. I think we had a good 3-week review or lesson about Kālele, no, kia pepeke, or anas. But we'll also keep going back and reviewing those sentences as we continue on. Tammy, you had a question, Tammy?
Yeah. Was I in the background?
Okay, so our ʻŌLELO no ʻEAU for today, I'm going to ask Lena Ala if she can read it. Kind of introing to our new structure.
Na'u e malama ana I ka ʻŌLELO Hawaii. I am the one who will take care of the Hawaiian language.
Okay, so pretty simple, but what this does is it puts the responsibility on the individual, on you. So it's a good one for you to keep and remind yourself that you are the only one who will take care of the Hawaiian language. Even if other people aren't, you guys are, and you guys will, and you guys will continue to do so. So I guess that's what that is what this ʻŌLELO no ʻEAU means to me. But what does it mean to you? Type that in the chat for me. But yeah, you know, we've been taking on this kuleana, and we're not doing it for nothing else but ourselves and for nothing else but to continue our language. So I mahalo you folks for that. Especially to the ones who are out of Hawaii, who are on the other states or other continents, continents and countries. Thank you for taking on this kuleana with us as well. Jennifer, can you read yours that you just wrote?
Oh, sure. Was I not supposed to write that? Sorry.
No, that's perfect. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So what this means to me is that I will pass on our culture and history to the future generations.
Perfect. Yeah, exactly. So that's what that ʻŌLELO no ʻEAU means to her, and it's exactly correct. we are the ones who continue and pass it on to our keiki and our mo'opuna. So, mahalo nui. Your answers should be coming in, but I'll look at those later. Let's just continue and go straight into our lesson. Oh, I put the whole thing in today. Okay, so Kālele ʻākena. I hope you mind repeating after me. Kālele ʻākena. Kālele ʻākena. Okay. So reading this up here. Kālele ʻākena, actor emphatic. Actor emphatic. Can we have Don read this little sentence right here?
Kālele ʻākena, actor emphatic. This specific analula sentence pattern is used when we want to emphasize the person who does the action.
Okay, mahalo. So this whole time we've been learning about pepeke painu, or verb tense sentences, or verb sentences, and we always put the emphasis on the verb. Yeah, we always have the verb at the beginning, whether that be past tense, present tense, future tense. But now, you know, in Western culture, it's very me, I. So we put the pico at the beginning in Western culture. We put the subject at the beginning. I am the one who will I don't know, write the paper or something like that. You know, you're always putting that actor at the beginning. In Hawaiian, we don't do that. We put the verb at the beginning. We put the thought at the beginning, or the action at the beginning, rather than, and then the pico comes secondary. But this time we're going to emphasize the actor, the person doing the action. Okay? So this is our structure right here. Every sentence, no matter what you have in Kālele ʻākena, will start with na. Okay? So na will always start it. There's different forms of this word na, but for the most part, every Kālele ʻākena sentence will start with na. And whatever comes after that will be your pico, your actual subject, or the person doing the action. So na pretty much means is the one. If you look at it like this, is the one, pico is your subject, and then you just finish it off with the action after that. So you have your maka painu, your verb marker, which we'll review, and then your ave painu, your verb detail. So whatever verb you're actually going to do. It looks kind of confusing on here, but don't worry, we'll get more into detail with this. Okay, so again, na starts it off, then your pico, whatever your pico is, we have our 4 pico that we have, which we'll review as well. Your maka painu, your verb tense markers, future, past, present, and simple tense, general tense, and then your ave painu, which is your actual verb detail. Okay? You guys got it? We'll move on. So there's a few kind of rules that I wanted to go over for this one. Can you read this first page for me, please, Erika?
Oh, na. The word na indicates that the most important thing is the person or the thing that does the action. The na tells you that the sentence is going to read, pico is the one who action.
Okay, mahalo. So yeah, the word na indicates that it's going to be the person that we're talking about, not necessarily the action. Or sorry, it's going to be the person that we're emphasizing, not necessarily the action. Okay, so if you see na, you'll know that it's a Kālele ʻākena sentence. And this is how it will kind of translate when you go from Hawaiian to English. Pico is the one who will do the action, who actions. Okay, so keep that in mind, because that's how we'll be translating all of our sentences tonight. Blank is the one who blanks. Okay, make sense? Okay. Let's go to the next reminder, or the next rule. So the pico, or the subjects. Can we call on Carrie? Oh, this is water, by the way. It's not wine.
Pico, subject. The pico is the ʻākena, or agent of the action. The agent is the person or thing responsible for the action.
Okay, cool. So, you know, we have all of our pico subjects that we kind of learned about earlier, actually way back in lesson 13. But hopefully we still have all of those, you know, ready. I don't know if you guys remember what kind of piko we have, but let's just do a little quick test in the chat. Do you guys remember what a papani is? What does a papani translate to? Or there you go, Kapua. Yep. Good. So what is that, Kapua? What is that, papani?
That's a pronoun.
A papani is a pronoun. Okay. So some of them include, you know, of course, I, you, we, they 3+, more specifically, they 2, we 2, all those things. We can do a quick review too if we need it. Okay, our next one is our ʻOʻA. Okay, you guys remember what ʻOʻA is? Think about, hi, haole, aloha. Think about ʻOʻA. It's, yeah, Reef, get them. Yeah. So, Reef, you want to give us your answer? Darn it.
Names.
Names, yep. So names, proper nouns, names of people, names of places. Okay, yeah, exactly, like ʻInoa. If you think about ʻIʻoa, take out the N. Sorry, if you think about ʻInoa, take out the N, you have ʻIʻoa. Okay, the next one, Kapua, is our nonoa. And what is the nonoa, Kapua?
Possessives.
Possessives, okay? So you need some kind of possessive, is a possessive phrase. So you need some kind of possession in there. And we learned about possessives earlier. Ko'u, ka'u, kau, ko, kona, kana. Okay, so an example being, oh, that's good to know, Brief, thank you. An example being ko'u makuahine, ka'u ilio, ko'u kapunakane, okay? Would something like this actually work for this kind of sentence? Ko'u, maybe not that. Ka'u puke. Could a book actually do an action? No. So you'd have to have someone that actually has physical, you know, an animate object that can do the action. Okay,
Could it be something like the book explains, though?
Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay. Yeah, I can see how you can do that. Yes. I guess, yeah, we're actually going to have some examples of that, I think, later on that we can get into. Yeah, you know what? Cross what I said. You can have that. That's a good example. Thank you, Erika. My car hit the tree. Oh, yeah. True. With your car, you probably hit a tree with your car. ʻAʻA. So, yeah. Okay, so yeah. ʻAʻkena literally means agent or action. Or sorry, agent, which is the person who's responsible for the action. Okay? Alrighty, let's do a quick review of this. Can you read this slide for us, please, Tammy? Tammy, you get him.
Who are you talking to me?
Yeah.
Oh. Kālele ʻākena. Sorry for my noise, but we get paina.
Oh, no worries.
Makapaino, verb tense marker. The first ami, aka the ami linking the action to the ʻākena, is going to be a makapaino. All of the makapaino in Kālele ʻākena are the same makapaino in the ʻaʻole versions of regular pepeke painu sentences.
Okay, cool. Thank you. So the first ami is going to be your linking the action to the agent. So of course you're gonna have the agent first, the person doing the action, your ami, and then your action. Okay. So all of these ami are going to be your makapainu, which is our verb tense markers. Okay. If you remember, we have our verb tense markers in positive sentences, like regular positive normal sentences. But what we're changing it to is our ʻaʻole versions of the makapainu. Okay, and we have a quick list, or not a quick, we have a list here that has them all. Okay, so this is it. So our general simple tense, when there's no real tense markers, it's just like simple habitual kind of thing. You're gonna say e painu. Okay. Your past tense, you're gonna say I painu. That means You guys remember what past tense used to be when it's positive sentence? Yeah. Good. So they said ua painu, but when you have a negative, it changes to e. Okay. Our present tense, we had e painuana, but what was it before? April. That's a good start. Sorry, e painune. April. That's a good start. What? Oh yeah, actually, Erika. Yeah, kind of like that. Ke painune. Okay, so that's what it was, positive. But when you have the negative one, it's e painune. And the future, it stays the same. So e painuana stays the same. Okay, this would be a good one to kind of screenshot if you have in mind for later. Keep it in mind for later. Okay, so these are all the parts, and now we're going to actually start building the sentences. Okay, cool. Alrighty. So again, our unuhina, or when we translate our sentences, you're going to translate it like this. It is actor. It is the actor who verbs. Or another way you can do it is actor is the one who verbs. Make sense? I know we're so used to saying like our regular Pino sentences, but we're kind of just flipping around our thought process while we're doing this sentence structure. Okay, so let's get into it. Here is our first example, and we're going to start with papani. We're going to go through each different pico that we have. So our question here, it's just a random question. We don't have to pay much attention to the question part, but it kind of gets us into our actual creating of the sentence. So can you read this question for me, please, Don?
Nawai e hana ana I ka haʻawina. Who will be the one to do the homework?
Okay, mahalo. So nawai e hana ana I ka haʻawina. Hi, Carly, you're not walking anymore. Okay, so who will be the one to do the homework? Again, don't pay much attention to the question. It's just going to take us right into our answer. So right here, our translated part in English, we're going to say they 3+ are the ones who will do the homework. Okay, so you see over here, the na is going to show that it's already a Kālele ʻākena sentence. Over here, I want you to type in the correct pronoun. Yeah, private, please. The correct pronoun, and then the correct verb. What do we use for do in this situation? And it's right here if you need help. So na blank e blank ana I ka haʻawina. They 3+ are the ones who will do the homework. Erika, that's correct. Good. Okay. Good. Yeah, you guys get them. Well, Carly, that's correct. Okay, Carly, read yours. Oh, public ass why.
Na lako e hana ana I ka haʻawina.
Good. So na lako e hana ana I ka haʻawina, which just shows they 3+ are the ones who will do the homework. What is another way we can translate this? Yeah, try and translate it again with this one. Yeah, Kapua, you want to read yours?
It is them who will do the homework.
Good. It is them who will do the homework. Okay. So you can do either or. I tend to go with this one. Actor is the one who will like. Okay. Cool. Alrighty. Let's get into some more examples using our only papani for now. No worries, Aloha. Okay. So these are pretty easy. The next one, actually, yeah. Let's do these first 4 together, and then we'll all work on this last one together. So try your best. These are not hard at all. I think you guys can get them. But make sure when you translate them, you have the is the one who. Okay? Yeah. That you need to make sure that's in your translation. Yeah, Reef. It's just for practice. So Reef wrote, we will drink wine for the first one. But try and write it again with the is the one who or are the ones who. Okay. Oh, nice. ʻAʻole, that's a good example. Okay, and while you're doing that, if you have questions, let me know right now so we can go over them. Well, we'll be doing a lot of practice sentences, so. Yeah, good, April. Good, Reef. Shannon, try one more time with your new kind of sentence structure. Yeah, it's a weird thing to think about, or you never translate it like that. Yeah. So you got to kind of change your mindset when you're translating these things. Good day, Nala. Yep, brief, exactly. That's a good question. Okay, cool. Let's start off with Erika. You want to read the first one for us and your translation?
Na kākou e inuwei ana. We are the ones who will drink water.
Yeah, we're the ones who will drink water. What is the specific we? How much people are in it?
Us all.
Yeah, 3 or more. Yeah. So we 3 plus are the ones who will, you see the ʻAʻa, will drink water. Okay. Let's call on April. You want to try this next one right here?
Na oko I hele. You 3 plus are the ones going.
Try one more time. So, past tense.
Oh, that's right. Past tense. Shoots.
No.
You 3 are the ones that went.
Yeah, who went? You 3 plus are the ones who went. This is the weirdest thing ever. Yeah, it's a weird thing to think about, Kapua. Yeah. Okay, well, Kapua, you're on the next one. The next weird one.
Sure. I was just saying that the E is the weird thing, by the way.
Oh, got it.
Na lawa e kukeana. Okay, wait. You two are the ones.
One more time.
Lawa. Right? They two are the ones who will cook.
Yeah, but they two, and you got the correct. ʻAʻa will cook. They two are the ones who will cook. Cool. Reef, you want to try the fourth one?
Namako e kui kalei. It is us who will string the lei. Is that the right one?
Oh yeah, sorry. It is us 3 plus who will string, or I guess this is where it gets kind of tricky. So, oh yeah, no, you said it correct. You didn't say any verb tense, so you're good. It is us 3 who will string the lei. Good job. Okay, so now let's look at this English one, translating it to Hawaiian. Let's go. Let's do this. So, okay, so let's go word by word. Type out the first word that is going to be in this sentence, and it's always going to be the same. Oh, Bianca. You're fine. Okay, so the first word, good. Most of you got na, just na, but I know. The next word is going to be our agent. So what is going to be our actor in this? Na, you two. Okay. Cool. Okay, good. Most of you got olua. Yeah, all of you got olua. Na olua. You two are the ones. What is our makapainu? What is our verb tense marker? Will fly. Will fly. Good, Erika. Jennifer, one more time. So the future tense is going to be this. Right here. Okay. And then tu koa'i at the end. How would you write out tu koa'i? Okay, cool. Good. Bianca, you want to read yours? I think you had it correct.
Na'olua e lele ana I Kauai.
Perfect. Na'olua e lele ana I Kauai. You two are the ones who will fly to Kauai. Okay? Good job. Okay, so now that we're here, I want you guys to make a sentence of your own. And it doesn't have to be long. It can just be simple like this. Na oko I hele, or actually maybe use this example. All you gotta do is take out this lawa and kuke and put it in with your own actor and verb. Okay, so everyone, let's create our own sentences for the next minute or so. See how much you can come up with. Because they're not hard, you know. Wait, Reef. We're not there yet. We're still on papani. Using a papani. Okay, so creating your own example. Na papani e verb ana. Or na papani I verb. Na papani e verb ne. Perfect, Carly. Good, Shannon. Cool. Okay, Car, can you read yours and your translation?
Na lako e ku'ai I ka aina ahi ahi. They are the ones who will buy dinner.
Yeah, good. Shannon, you want to read yours?
Na olua e kalaiwa ana.
And that means?
Oh, you two are the ones who will drive?
Yep. And how only?
Namawa e helu helu ana I ka pupu.
Perfect. So we two exclusive, are the ones who will read the book. Okay, we have some good questions up in here. You're gonna tell us Oya and Ao, our expectation. Okay, perfect. So exactly. I forgot to I left that out on accident, but let's just go over it now. So remember how we have ko'u, ko, kona, and we also have ka'u, kau, and kana. So those are specific for the singular pronouns. So this one, what do you guys think it's gonna be? Instead of ko'u, ka'u, what is that gonna change to? Good, Kapua. Na'u. So if it's just you that's doing the action, na'u is going to be for I, or me. And actually, I'll go back and put that into the slides for when I upload it. Okay, so na'u. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Thank you. You have now is going to change for, what do you think now is going to be? What is that going to show? Now. Good, Car. You. And what is our last one? He, she, it. Think about the A class. Good, Reef. Yeah. Nana. Just one kahako. Nana is he, she. Okay. Good reminders. Thank you, guys. I forgot. My bad. So if we want to do a few examples with that one, we can say Nana. Yeah. Brief. That's a good. Yeah. Good. So you can say, let's do this. Na'u I hele I kapapa. What does that show? Na'u I hele I kapapa. Can I try again? You have the right idea, but wrong translation. Yes, can. Oh, I'm sending it to Kapua, that's why. Yeah. April, you want to read yours? So, na'u I hele ka papa.
I'm the one that went to class.
Good. Let's try now. I inu I ka pia. Now I inu I ka pia. You guys know what pia is? I'm just gonna keep reminding you the are the one. You are the one. Okay, just because I want you to think in that mindset. I know it's weird for you to actually put that into your translation, but just keep having that. You are the one who blah 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 blah. Okay, Lena Ala, what is that?
You are the one that drank the beer.
Good. Okay, and let's do one more with Nana. Nana, I nana, I na 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 ma I na na kule. Okay, this is hard, but let's see what if you guys can do it. Nana, I nana, I na 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 na, I na na kule. Hey, Leonala, you cheated. Kind of a tongue twister. 8 legs, Erika, 8 legs. Land, mammal, or land, arachnophobia, arachnid. Sorry. Kapua, did you get it? Yeah. Good. Okay, Erika, read yours. Nana, inana, inana, nana, inana, kuli.
He was the one who looked at the spider in Nanakuli.
Perfect. Okay, let's all say that.
Sang the Batman theme song. Na 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 kuli.
Oh.
Okay, don't post this. Thanks.
Posting it. Okay, let's all try and say that with me. Okay, ready and go. Nana, inana, 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 kuli. One more time faster. Nana, inana, 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 kuli. Okay, good. Goodbye. Okay, cool. Spider. Yeah. All right. So now let's change. Our piko now is going to be a ʻIʻoa, which is our proper nouns. So our next question, read our question for us. Hi, Kailani, can you read this question for us, please?
Okay. Navai enana ike TV.
Yep, and that means?
Would you want to watch the TV?
Okay, so this is easy because instead of translating something, all you're really doing is putting a name into this first box, and then of course, the next verb. So Keanu will be the one to watch the TV. Okay, what is our translation for that? Or what is our complete answer for that one? Dead. Na blank e blankana ike kiwi. Go ahead, Kapua. I wonder if there's a way. I'm gonna try something real fast. I'm not gonna do this for real, but can you guys see the chat? Oh, okay. Okay. No. Okay, cool. Carrie, you wanna? Carrie, watch. This is watch up here. Okay, you want to try?
Okay. Na keanu e na ana ike kiwi.
Good. So Kanu will be the one to watch the TV. Okay. Cool. Here's some fun examples using our classmates' special talents. So let's see what we can do. So the good thing about this is that you have the first part down, and if you want to just add more ami ave, you just add it like how we normally do. Makalolo wila. If you have a place, ma kapalama. If you have another action or another noun that you're talking about, ina holo holo na po. Same here over here. Okay. So try the first four, and we'll do the last English one together. Tammy, you had that first one correct, except for your verb marker. So, ʻēana. Yeah, no, you're good. I know these words may be new to you. Some of these words may be new to you. You can look them up on vehe vehe. I'm just going to remind you again, is the one, is the one. Again, you don't have to when you translate it, but for your practice, I think it'll be best to remember is the one. Another one. Okay, maybe about 10 more seconds for those of you who are going. Reef, good. Yeah, you don't need that 2 words, but you can have it in. That's totally fine. Come here. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna ask the actual person who this is about to read their own sentence and translate their own sentence. Okay, so Erika, can you read the first one?
Oh, thank goodness I got that one done. Na Erika e ʻAʻo nei I ka papama ka lolowila. Erica is the one who is teaching a class on the computer.
Perfect. Is you got the ʻAʻA is teaching, and yeah, you got everything else correct. Good job. You better not get your own sentence wrong. Okay, Kapua, next.
Okay, nā kapua e kūpulu ana I ka hale ma ka pālama. Kapua is the one who will build the building at Kapalama.
Perfect. Okay. If you didn't know, she's a kui kui puone, which is a, what is it? Architect.
Architect.
Yeah. Okay, number 3, Karkar.
Na Carly e mālama nei I nā holoholo nā pau. Carly is the one who will take care.
Present tense.
Who is taking care of all the animals.
Perfect. Good. Okay, number 4.
Nā Lena ala I ho'okipa I nā malihini ma Kauai. Lena ala is the one who entertained the tourists on Kauai.
Oh, that's a good translation.
I did ho'okipa.
That's what it showed.
Yeah.
I was thinking like welcoming or but it's the same. Yeah, same kind of thing. Greets, yeah.
Not particularly welcoming, but okay.
I know. I was gonna add mekamino aka with a smile, but I didn't have enough room. So na Lena ala I ho'okipa I nā malihini ma Kauai. Lena ala is the one who greets or entertains the guests, the tourists in Kauai. Okay, so let's try this one. Let's do the same thing we did. So what is our first word? In Kahanuola is the one who will sing the Hawaiian songs. What is our first, just one word that we have? How do we start these sentences? Good. Carrie, what is it?
Na.
Okay, what is our next word? Don't even type it. Don, what is our next? Our agent.
Kahanuola.
Okay. What is our first part of our makapainu? Hau'oli, to show will. What is our next word? Good. Okay, so na, kahanuola, e. Then what is our verb, Shannon?
Himeni.
Himeni. Our second word of our makapainu car.
Ana.
And we can do the last part. Just the songs. Lehua, you want to try that last part?
Himeni ana ina mele.
Perfect. So na kahanuola e himeni ana ina mele. Make sense? Okay, cool. Na kahanuola e himeni ana ina mele. I want you guys to all make one about yourself now. So change kahanuola to your name. Change the verb ihimeni to something that you guys do. Nag Jason, plant column. Sorry, Erika. But yeah, that. So change your name and your verb and then whatever painu you have at the end. Erika, don't just write the same thing that I write on the thing. You gotta make a new one. Na Erika e nag ana ya Jason. Cool. Yes, Kapoa, exactly. What's a upala? Oh, I'm guessing it's apala. Sorry. Bianca, you want to read yours?
Oh, yeah. Na Bianca e ai nei I na upala.
What is upala?
I thought it was chips.
Oh,
That,
yeah.
I might be wrong.
No, kipi. I think maybe uala you were trying to say. Potato, I don't know. But kipi would be chips. So na Bianca e ai nei I na kipi. Yeah. Tammy, you want to read yours? Did you make one? Or no?
Not all yet.
Okay, no worries. How old are you? I like yours. You want to read yours?
Na hau'oli e hia moi ana mahope o ka papa ʻŌLELO Hawaii.
Okay, and what does that mean?
It's, well, hau'oli is the one who will speak after Hawaiian language class.
Perfect. And Carly, let's read yours. Nice and loud, everyone. I mean, Carly.
Na Carly e no ana ne ina keiki Malagoga Creek. Carly is the one pushing kids in the creek.
This literally happened. She pushed her baby that she watches.
Okay, we fell.
No.
And then she said, "You threw me." And I said, "Let's get this straight before we get back home." We both slipped.
And she had a little scar and she was crying. And the mom fired her. No, just kidding. So you said ne ana, yeah? Na ana ne. You just need one. Yeah. Or if it's habitual, you do this all the time, then you can just do na Carly e no ina keiki Maka Creek. Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah. Tammy, you want to just read yours? You can be the last one.
You know, na kau'i ona lani e pa'ani ko
Okay, so Tammy is the one who plays soccer. Or sorry, Kau'i ona lani is the one who plays soccer at the school. Okay.
Me play soccer. I'd have to have an H2O.
Honey, if you would have told me to grab him, I would have grabbed him like a what?
And ambulance and whatever. Because I'd be KO.
The funny thing is I didn't hear anything, but yeah. What did you say?
I'd be dead on arrival, so you better have a coroner come and check me out.
I mean, no.
I told Ed,
We can play soccer virtually. Okay, cool. Okay, let's go to our next part. Or no. This is fun. Okay, so our nono'a is our possessive phrases again. So reading our sentence or a question for us, please. Jennifer, you want to try, just read it for us?
Sure. Nawai e kalaiwa ana I ke ka'a. Who will be the one to drive the car?
Okay, cool. So right down here, my mom will be the one to drive the TV. That's why I don't post these until after. So my mom will be the one to drive the car. So our nono'a phrase here is going to be my mom and then drive. The gummies. What gummies? Good, Erika. And mother is your generation and above, so make sure you have the correct A class, O class, yeah? If it's your generation and above, it's O class. Yeah, good. Carly. Shannon, you're just missing the mime. My. Okay, Reef, you want to read? My mom will be the one to drive the car.
Nā ko'u makuahine e kalaiwa ana I ke ka'a.
Perfect. Nā ko'u makuahine e kalaiwa ana I ke ka'a. How would you say, I will be the one to drive the car? Yeah, Kapua, try. Just read the whole sentence
No.
with that new one.
Huh? Read the whole sentence, what?
With the new, with I.
Na'u e kalaiwa ana I ke ka'a.
Perfect. Na'u e kalaiwa ana I ke ka'a. My mom will drive the car. Nā ko'u makuahine e kalaiwa ana I ke ka'a. Okay? Cool. I don't want this thing here. Okay, so let's do this. I don't want to just type them into the chat. Let's do, okay, let's type them in the chat for a minute. You guys got a minute. So the first one, nā ko'u makuahine e inu nei I ka waina. Nā ko'u makuakane e mālama I ka ʻilio. Nā ko'u ohana I ʻAʻA ma ke kahakai. Nā ka'u ʻilio e holo nei ma ka mauʻu. And then we'll do the last one all together. Good job. Good. And also, when you finish, which some of you are already done, start thinking about a sentence that you can write using a possessive phrase. So it has to have a ko'u or ka'u in it, yeah? Or kona. Oh yeah, I forgot. You can put kona, kau, all those stuff too. Okay, let's do a speed round because I think you guys are getting the gist of it. So let's do Shannon, you want to read the first one and your translation?
Nā ko'u makuahine e inu nei I ka waina. My mom is the one who drinks the wine.
That's perfect. What is the e inu nei show? Present tense. So how would you change that to not drinks? How would you show is currently?
Who is drinking?
Yeah. My mother is the one who is drinking the wine. Okay, cool. Let's jump to the next one. Whenever went a long time. Carrie?
My dad is the one that takes care of the dog.
Yeah, and that's just a general tense because it's just a. So my dad is the one who just generally takes care of the dog. Okay, and if you, these are about my parents. because my dad takes care of the dog and my mom drinks the wine. Okay, number 3, Kailani, I'm gonna call on you. You wanna try number 3?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
Nakaupana I ʻAʻA me ke kahakai. My family swim by the beach. Or?
Yep. So you have it. Just all you're missing is you have all the parts. You're just missing the my family is the one who swam at the beach. Okay.
Okay.
The E shows the past tense. Okay. So my family is the one who swam at the beach. Cool. April, you want to try number 4?
Michael Jackson.
Shh. Shh. I'm trying to talk.
Oh, sorry.
Roy, shut up. No, just kidding.
I'm talking about Michael Jackson.
We heard.
My dog goes on a walks. In the grass.
Okay, cool. What part are you missing?
I am missing is walking. No, yes, is walking in the grass.
Yep. So my dog is the one who is walking in the grass. Okay. Yeah, it's weird. We're always gonna forget it. I forget it too sometimes. That is the one, and you don't need it. You don't actually need it, but let's just continue to practice putting it in. Okay. All right, so let's try this one, and I'm just going to call you. We're going to go word by word. It is my uncle who will eat the poke. Kapua, what is the first word?
Nah.
Wrong. Nah, just kidding. You're right. Okay, haoli, what is the second word?
Ko'u.
Good. Carly, what is the third word? You remember?
Anakala.
Yep. Na ko'u anakala. Erika, what is the first makapainu part?
E.
Good. Don, what is the next word? E. Na ko'u anakala e. E ai. Lena ala, what is the second makapainu part?
Ana.
Ana. And Reef, can you finish it up?
Ikapoke. Is that the right one? I'm so sorry.
Yeah. No, you're good. Sorry, I was reading your question at the same time. So, na ko'u anakala e ai ana ikapoke. Perfection. If animals don't hele, they only holo, how we know if animals is running? I don't know.
Wait, animals only holo?
Reef, is that a thing? Did someone tell you that?
I could be wrong. Somebody told me that. I don't know.
No, that's good to know. I mean, I didn't hear about that before, but yeah, cool. I don't know though. I don't know how to answer your question. Okay, thank you. Okay, so now let's all think about our mothers. Since Mother's Day is coming up soon, what is something that your mom does? So let's do this. Everyone uses the same thing. Na ko'u makua hine, and then finish it up with whatever she does. You can do whatever makapainu and whatever verb. So na ko'u makua hine, blah blah blah. What does your mom do besides drink wine? Yeah, Atticus, good. So showered works too, but ʻAʻA in this case was talking about swimming, but it's the same word. Shower and swim is both ʻAʻA. Oh yeah, Reef. I love it. Good, Carrie. Yeah, Reef, can you read your whole one, even that last part you put?
Na ko'u makua hine na na pulokalamu Korea a pokala. My mom watched Korean TV all day.
Yeah, my mom is the one who watches the Korean program when day becomes night. That's apokala. That's the part you put. That's a really good one. Okay. Lena Ala, I like yours, and then Carly, you can read yours after.
Na ko'umakuahine e nuku ya'u. My mom is the one who scolds me.
Yeah, we all know that. Okay, and Carly, you read yours.
Na ko'umakuahine e aloha kākou ia'u. My mom is the one who loves and supports me.
Yeah, but she also scolds you because you're a naughty girl and you push kids in the creek. Okay. Moving to our last part, our kaikikino, our nouns, our common nouns. What is our question for this one, Bianca?
Read the question. Sorry.
Yes, please. Sorry.
Na vai e ho'olohe ana I keiki. Who will be the one to listen to the child? Listen. Wait. Sorry.
No. You're right. Okay. I'm wrong.
Oh.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So na vai e ho'olohe ana I keiki. And again, these questions are just random. It just more showing this. So here, the teacher will be the one to listen to the teacher. What is my problem? The teacher will be the one to listen to the child. Okay, so up here, don't forget to put your ka'i, the, before the teacher, and listen over here. Only when they annoy me, not me, not after next week. So all the time then. I don't even know what you guys are talking about. Okay, good. Pushing children. Okay, got it. Shannon, the ka'i, the. Okay. Lehua, you want to try this whole sentence? The teacher will be the one to listen to the child. Well, I want one of those, Bianca.
Na ke kumu e ho'olohe ana I ke keiki.
Perfect. Na ke kumu e ho'olohe ana I ke keiki. I think this is our last slide until we can go into our breakout room. So, yeah, let's just do this all. I'm going to call on you and you're just going to go. Okay, so read it and go. Carrie, number 1.
Na ka haumana e pa'ani ana ma ke kula. The student is the one who will play. I forget what is pa'ani. Party.
Wait, no, play was right. Play
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, party pa'ina. Pa'ani play at the school.
Perfection. Number 2, done.
Na ka popoki e inu ana I ka wai'u. You have to give me the one with the cat, and I hate cats.
Me too.
The
Are you
cat,
done?
the cat is the one
Yep.
who is drinking the milk.
Reef. Too much puns, Reef. Why you hate cats? Okay, no, I love puns. Okay, car, number 3.
Na ke kumu hula e ʻaʻo nei I nā hula kahiko. The hula teacher is the one who is teaching ancient hula.
Yeah.
Kahiko?
Kahiko hula. Yeah, that's fine. So the hula teacher is the one who is teaching the ancient hula. Number 4. Hopefully you know this word. Lena Ala. You know this word because you work for a helicopter company.
Okay, so anyway, naka pailaka e huakaine maka mokulele. The pilot is the one who is, huakai is like journey or trip,
travel,
etc. Travel. So the pilot is the one who is traveling the airplane. Seems like a.
What's the ma? What does ma show?
On at.
The pilot is the one who's traveling on the airplane. Okay.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, that makes sense. I got you. Thanks.
Okay. And then everyone in the chat, let's put this one. It's hard. You might have to look up the word for kick, but it is my best friend who kicked the ball. Erika, friends are O class. Yeah. It is my best friend who kicked the ball. If you don't know what kick is, you can just put E, kick, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, there you go. Good, Kapua. Oh yeah, there's a couple words. Okay, we have everyone literally has a different thing. So let's just all read ours at once. Ready and go.
Na.
Okay, the one that I was going for was na ko'u ho'apili ipeku ikekini popo. So Carly got it right. Carrie got it right. Oh no, he said ka'u. Then Ala got it right. Kapua got it right. But I'm not saying you got it wrong. Just the one that I was translating that's what I would say. Okay, so a lot of you said ka'u, ho'apili, but friends are always going to be O class. Just remember that. Okay. Na ko'u, ho'apili, ipeku, ikekini popo. So anything that has hoa in it, that's going to be O class, like ho'hanao, ho'hana, ho'anoho, ho'apili, ho'aloha. That's all O class. Just a reminder. Okay. And we're done. So let's do some, we'll just do a quick 5-minute breakout room and we'll just create sentences together. I mean, I don't really have to worry about folks because you guys, yeah, Atticus, get ready. I don't have to worry about you folks because you guys get them. You guys get them. You can just handle and just create sentences. Try your best. Maybe, you know what? How about as a group, you guys create 4 different sentences. So one of each. One with a papani, one with a ʻIʻoa, one with a nonoa, one with a kikino. Kikino? Okay. Okay, opening up. I'm gonna eat my dinner. Where are my utensils? I can't find the fork. Atticus, you just heard everything I just said.
No, I think he's going to say it when he gets home.
He's on.
Oh my God.
Tell me, everyone, you guys, how are you with the structures? Pretty easy?
It smells like goat poop.
No.
Where?
I mean, you know when you get people in the background, you know, can think, so, you know.
Yeah.
Just tonight, so it's like.
No, but thanks for coming, even with your party. Mahalo.
I ate before my class started, and I just unplugged my ears. I don't even know what the hell they're talking.
How about you guys create your English sentences first, and then you guys translate them into Hawaiian? I think that
I know. It was forever ago. So then
So I told the other groups, maybe if you guys create your English sentences first, and then you can translate them, but whatever works for you. But you guys get it, yeah? You don't have any, do you have questions?
I kind of did, if it's okay. Shannon, maybe like you can, if you're okay if I ask first.
Yeah.
Sorry, Kumu. So when you said we were doing the negative makapainu to change the verb tense markers from like kene to ene or ua to e, like, have we done that before?
Maybe not.
Okay, because I don't remember seeing those before, and if we did, I forgot. But like the ʻAʻole, like the ole verb type negated verbs.
Ooh, maybe we'll do that next week.
Yeah, if we could review that, like unless I'm totally wrong and we've totally done it and I just forgot.
We did verb sentences, but I think I packed so much into verbs that I didn't want to add the negative to it as well. So
right.
We didn't do it.
So because when it came up tonight, I was like, what at?
Yeah. But it's good that, thank you for reminding me. So we'll do that next week.
Okay.
But it's not like it's hard, yeah.
No. I was just like surprised because I didn't know what it was. So if you like introduce it next week and say like, we actually learned this last week, but just so you know, this is how you negate.
Yeah.
That would be super cool. Like in one of the example sentences I did earlier, I was like, it is the teacher who will not, like I wanted to try negating that.
Yeah.
So I put is the teacher who will not, and then I put like ho'o, whatever listen is ole.
Yeah.
But like, in general, I don't know if that was correct or not.
Yeah, there's actually not a way to negate it. Okay. So the ole is how I would do it too.
Okay.
Ole. Yeah, exactly.
Okay, but yeah, maybe just like learning that and the rules around negating or something would be.
I know, and that was lesson 13, so that was a whole while back. So yeah we can go over that. Shannon, you had a question?
Wait, so when do we use those types of ways of saying it, like the e instead of ua? Like what?
Like
generally you're saying negative. Wait, what does that mean?
Okay, so not related to Kālele ʻAʻkena, yeah. So when we do a verb tense, like a regular, I will go to the store, or how I didn't go to the store, like how we would translate that. So ʻaʻole au I hele I kahale kuʻai. So I didn't. That's more for that, yeah. But we're gonna actually relearn it or actually learn it next week. So
you do it for the ʻaʻole. Okay, so that's the negative, and then for this, when you're emphasizing the person doing it.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, but yeah, that's why I was getting some confused looks, but don't think that you missed anything because I actually didn't teach it. So yeah, you're good. Okay.
And then Shannon, did you want to ask about the no'unau?
I think I got it now. I think I just get confused, kind of like I get it, but then I get confused when I'm like trying to like think of which one to use.
Yeah, and there's a so just kind of keep in mind ko'u, because if you remember ko'u, you have I, that's mine. So that's like I will do it. If you have now, it's like ko kind of. So that's gonna be you, and then nana kind of sounds like kona or kana. So that's gonna be he, she, it. But I didn't put a slide on it either. So once I'll put the slide up, and then when I upload it to Google Classroom, you'll have it all there. Yeah.
But if it's na'u or no'u makuahine, it's still ko'u makuahine. Oh shoot, he froze.
What do you mean? No, I wasn't frozen.
Right. So okay. So if it's na'u, if it's like I am the one who will stop it. I can see the fan spinning. I
Yeah.
can.
So, yeah. So it's different. You know how you said no umakohine, you're not gonna say that. That's only
Right.
if you have your possessive. If you have your possessive for your no is always gonna be the ko'u or something. But
Okay.
if this one you're just gonna say now, for those three only, I, you, and he, she.
And then,
Okay.
is this only for Kālele ʻAʻkena, or are we gonna see this in other forms too?
It's only for Kālele ʻAʻkena. Yeah.
So, like, if someone said like no kahauoli, like mine is the happiness.
Yeah. So that's a totally different structure because there's no action involved in that. You know what I mean? Oh, okay. Yeah, I get what you're saying. So, the A class part of it, because everything starts with na, that's the only thing you'll see it in Kālele ʻAʻkena.
Oh,
No ukahauoli, that's like the pleasure is mine. Okay.
so that's a totally different thing then.
Yeah. Which,
Oh,
you know, bringing up all the questions, but yeah, it can get confusing just because you see different things in different parts or different sentence structures.
yeah.
But,
No, it's a good thing. It's a good
Yeah,
thing. It's
yeah,
because
yeah.
I'm running into these issues because I'm speaking to people who actually know what they're saying, and I have no idea. That's all.
Yeah.
So I'll catch up.
Yeah, no, we'll all catch up. Even I will catch up. So yeah.
Okay. All right, we're gonna make our sentences now.
Shoot. I'm done. You good?
Huh? Sorry.
You're okay?
Sorta, yeah. But yeah, I'm kind of getting there.
If anything, we'll spend another week, or we'll review next week, and then we'll also learn the negative versions. Yeah.
Yeah, that would be good.
Okay. Good to know. Thank you.
We'll do that.
You can write one about you, Reef.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Na reef I haku I na puns.
I was literally gonna write something like that.
Yeah. You guys get it though, yeah. The other group has some questions, but do you guys get it?
I have a question that's not really related adjacently to this particular lesson. Na ko'ututu ia'o ia'u. Would it be like she's teaching me? Why are you laughing?
Look at the chat.
Oh,
sorry. It's a habit.
How do you think of these on the spot? I'm a paniolo.
I think I have a medical condition.
Oh, but they're good. They're very good.
Thank you.
Okay, back to my tutu. Everybody. Na ko'ututu ia'o ia'u I ka'ukaha ki'i ana. Would it be a'o mai ia'u? A'o aku ia'u?
Ia'o mai ia'u. Or no.
Okay.
Ia'o aku ia'u. Yes, because
this is exactly what we did.
Is learned. So a'o aku would be, even though it's towards you, it still be she's doing the action. So ia'o aku. The aku shows the teaching. Yeah. This is hard.
Wait, so the aku is attached
it's my
to the person.
It's my.
Okay, but why?
Because it's coming towards you.
Why do I need to do that twice? Doesn't ya'u already tell you that?
So then you don't even need the mai or aku. Just say
that was the question.
Yep, just say a'o ya'u. No need even need the mai or ya'u. Okay, we're good. That's your answer. The mai or aku. So
I feel like I just persuaded you. I'm sorry.
Na ko'ututu ia'o ya'u I, and you just say ko'u. It's always gonna be O class.
Ko'u. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh, back at it again with the hard sentences.
No.
But good. I like that you're trying it. Trying different.
Na reef haku ina ʻŌLELO pa'ani.
No kamea he paniolo oia.
Yeah, wait, yes. I'm going to write that down.
Yeah.
Reef e haku ne. Wait, are we sorry?
Which tense do we want to do, Bianca? He just is, just general.
I think that he's
always
active.
does it.
Yeah, he's
Yeah,
actively doing it right now. So most
I
likely.
look forward to class
General.
because of that.
Narif e haku I na ʻŌLELO. Is that how you would say joke?
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm, ma.
Wait, what's
Yeah.
ʻŌLELO?
Yeah, Reef.
Jokes.
Are there jokes in Hawaiian? Just wondering.
The nane. Actually, you could say nane. That's more
Instead
like
of-
riddles. That's more like riddles, though. So I don't know. I guess it's kind of a riddle. You got to figure out what he's saying. So yeah.
Nane.
So I don't think there's like jokes to make you laugh.
Okay, Vehe says pun is ho'opili ʻŌLELO ano.
There's a word.
I'll take it.
I
I'll
googled
take it.
pun. All right, Vehe pun.
Yep.
Pili ʻŌLELO.
ʻŌLELO ano like. ʻŌLELO ano like.
What's the ho'opili? Ho'opili ʻŌLELO ano like?
Ho'opili ʻŌLELO ano like.
Yeah, which is like kind of like a word. It sounds like a word, I guess.
That's
That makes
very
sense. Yeah.
Wait, that's a whole word
Yeah, that's the translation. Those
for 3
Right.
letters in
that
English.
phrase.
So copy it in the chat.
Yeah, let me copy.
No, but you should see the puns that aren't private or that aren't public.
I'm sure. Sheesh.
He has a lot.
I'm glad you guys enjoy it.
Haku ina.
Let's say puns. Now, Reef haku ina puns.
That's so long.
I'm just gonna stick.
ʻŌLELO. Pani, yeah.
Yeah.
Name my son that.
Ma.
ʻŌLELO.
Mana
Pani.
papa.
Pani. Oh, there you go.
Pau. No kumea.
He paniolo oya.
He pani
You guys are dumb.
oya.
Okay, 2 minutes.
I count.
Oh, there's our Kumu.
Oh, there you go. You can ask.
You guys look confused.
No, we're pal. We're good.
Oh, good.
And then we were just, Lehu was wondering, sure, she just asked us the difference between saying like ʻŌLELO or valao.
What is your sentence? I think Vala'au would be an actual talk. Carly, are you in Afghanistan?
No, why?
You're frozen. Vala'au would be an actual. Vala'au would be like 2 people talking together. I think the ʻŌLELO would be like if you're speaking. Yeah. So whichever.
Kumu, I
Yeah.
have question, but nothing to do with topic right now.
Okay.
Yeah, how do you say sofa or couch in Hawaiian?
Pune'e.
Oh, pune.
There's a few. So pune'e would work, or noho'akea. A wide chair, pretty much.
Yeah. Mahalo, Kumu.
Yeah. You guys are good?
I have Kumu.
Yes.
I
saw your email. Sorry, I never responded.
Oh, okay. I was just wondering because I sent another one before, and so I was asking Carly, "What's the best way to get a hold of you?" She said to Instagram.
Yeah, but sorry, I just caught up with all the emails and stuff.
Oh,
I
I can imagine.
So I knew you were gonna come in, and you had your mopuna, yeah, with you, or
Aye.
So yeah, no worries. You're totally good. You're fine.
Okay. And so then because I'm getting so busy and I don't want to get behind, you will always send me the video, or do you only send it to the videos to people who attend the papa?
No. So they're all in the. You remember the did Lena Ala help you get to Google Classroom?
Yeah, she showed me and she put a thing on my, but then it doesn't give me the videos.
Oh, okay, that's good to know. I'll show you how to get to it afterwards because it's all in one location. So I'll show you after.
Oh, mahalo.
Yeah, because I usually upload it the next day, so it's not like it's that same night, but Yeah,
Yeah,
after we wrap up, I'll show you how we get to it.
Oh, mahalo.
Okay, shoots. I'll see you guys back in the main.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Aloha.
Okay, we had some really good sentences, I think. I don't know if you guys typed them all out, but I don't think we're gonna have time to read them. Can you guys just put them in the chat though? If you can, type them in the chat for me.
Just one of us or all of us?
Probably, yeah, just one from each group. If whoever has all three of them or whatever. Or if you guys all did one, then you can put your own. Where did everyone go? Na olua e kalaiwa puana I haleiwa. Cool. Na ko umako kane e moyana I keia po apau. Nice. So if you just came back, we're just putting in our sentences into the chat. If one person has all four, you can put them, or if each person has individually, then just whatever you have. I think we might need another week on this. So next week we might do the same thing. We might just do some more review. Maybe we'll do a review. And then I also learned that I didn't even teach you the negative versions of verb sentences. So we're gonna do that. We're going to just learn I didn't go to the store, or I will not teach the class, those kind of sentences. So we're going back to our regular pepeke painu, but the negative versions. Okay? Okay, cool. I like all these sentences. Na kumu e kaumaha nei I keia po. Na ka'u hui I ailike I ka manaʻololo. Na leina ala I hoʻolale I keia manaʻo. Na mākou e hoʻohenehene nei I ke kumu. Yes. Na koʻu kupunahine e inu I ke ki o maʻomaʻo I nā pō apau. Nice. Na u e hoʻomaʻemaʻe nei I nā lauoho ma ka paipu o mowai. I'm the one that cleans the hair from the water drain, from the shower drain. Cool. Oh, it's right there. Na ke kumu e himeni ma hope o ka papa I nā haumana. Just I nā haumana, okay? Na ko'u makuahine e haku nei I ka lei. Na ko'u tutu I a'o ia'u I ko'u kahaki ana. I love that. So Kapua's one was na ko'u tutu I a'o ia'u I ko'u kahaki ana. It is my, she used the ana in this too. So it is my tutu who taught me my drawing. Okay, good job. Na reef e haku I na ʻŌLELO pa'ani ma na papa apau no ka mea e paniolo oia. That's a one for everyone to have. So everyone look at that one more time. Na reef e haku I na ʻŌLELO pa'ani ma na papa apau no ka mea he paniolo oia. So Reef is the one who creates the puns or the jokes every class because he is a paniolo. He is a paniolo. He made that one up himself. Yeah, I'm kicking him out of the class next week. So that's that. Nah, I love it. I know, right? I wish you could react to individual messages. It's beautiful. Okay. Next class, May 4th. Also, if you have a TV or if you're on Facebook, we have our May Day for Keoho on Saturday. So watch it if you can. Channel 7, 6 o'clock, or on Hawaii News Now. Yeah. Okay, May 4th. I'll see you guys next week. Have a good class, or have a good week, and waka papa.
Okay, aloha, mahalo.
Aloha, ahui ho, malamai.
Hui ho. Lehi Lani, I can show you real fast if you want to stay.
I do.
Hello, everybody. Mahalo.
Thanks, Paniola. He's laughing at his own joke.
Mahalo. Ahui ho, everybody.
Casey, I can come on Friday. Oh no, shoot. I don't need them till next week. I can grab them next week.
Oh wait,
And you can talk now.
are you gonna be home tonight? April can drop it off.
No, I'm heading to Kailua right after. Or because I go to Kamehameha tomorrow, you cannot just leave them in your mailbox or anything, yeah.
Okay, I can leave it. Let me check if anybody's gonna. I'll leave it somewhere and I'll let you know, and then you. Come
Okay.
Hold on, just a. Hold on.
Okay, Lehi Ilani. So the videos, I know Lena Allah helped set up your Google Classroom. So if you come here, Lena Allah, you might have to do a house call. No, just kidding.
Oh,
Okay.
so sweet.
So if you come here, then I'm gonna put up the new lesson. So the video is in that actual lesson. So when you see the lesson, this is the the Google Slides, and then if you just look up the second one, it's usually the video. Okay, so that's you'll have access to the video.
So I know you send the video. I get that in my email.
Mm-hmm.
But if I don't put it anywhere, it's lost. I can't retrieve it.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
I was wondering if it goes someplace where I can go to it.
Yeah. So do me a favor. I don't know if are you on a computer right now? Try typing in Google Classroom. So don't just look on your email. There's an actual place that holds everything. Also,
Google Classroom. So I see, it says classroom.google.com. That's the one.
Yeah, are you there? So go to classwork.